If you are wondering if you can receive Android 17 update on Samsung Galaxy A17, then the answer is yes, you will definitely get Android 17 update at some point. Now, as I'm recording this video, we are in a period where the Android 16 is being rolled out on smartphones. Right now on Galaxy A17, as I'm recording this video, there is still Android 15, and by the end of 2025, it is promised that Android 16 will be on Galaxy A17. In the case of Android 17, it's obviously right now for me hard to tell when it's gonna happen. There is no specific date and time. It is unknown yet when we can expect Android 17, but it is promised for a Galaxy A17 to receive up to 6 major Android upgrades. So naturally, A17 will receive Android 17 at some point in the future. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.